Amber Heard receives relief in 2015 dog importation case, won't face charges, details inside. Due to the illegal entry of her 2 canines into Australia 8 years ago, Amber Heard won't be charged. The Aquaman actress won't be charged further in connection with the 2015 incident, the Australian government's Department of Agriculture announced on Tuesday. The department worked with organizations both in Australia and abroad to look into these allegations against Ms. Heard, the government claimed in a statement. A brief of evidence was referred to the Commonwealth Director of Public Prosecutions, who has made the decision not to prosecute in this instance, having applied the prosecution policy of the Commonwealth. The 37-year-old star was still married to her ex-husband Johnny Depp, 60, in May 2015 when she brought their 2 Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, into the country without declaring the pets, despite the country having a strict quarantine policy. The dogs failed to go through customs and adhere to Australia's 10-day quarantine rule, and in July 2015, Amber was charged with 2 counts of illegally importing the animals. After she pleaded guilty to falsifying travel documents in court, the case was closed, with the then couple filming an apology video in which the Pirates of the Caribbean actor urged viewers to declare everything. Johnny told the Jimmy Kimmel Live show about the incident in September 2015. "We were under the impression we had all the paperwork done for the dogs. We were there with the dogs in front of everybody." The video apology came a year later, in which she added she was truly sorry for not following the dog declaration rules, despite the fact that the case had been deemed closed. An Australian government spokesperson told E! News in October 2021 that the department was seeking to obtain witness statements, and once obtained, the Commonwealth Director of Public Prosecutions will consider whether the evidence is sufficient to warrant pursuance of the matter. Due to the nation's biosecurity regulations, Amber could have received 10 years in prison and a $75,000 punishment for the crimes, while the penalty of submitting a fraudulent document would have added another year in prison and a $7,500 fine.